let's talk about something. Let's talk about Instagram. Okay, so let's talk about Instagram, okay? Yes, I'm on a roll right now. Okay, so on Instagram, you have the option to make your profile private or public. Okay, that's understandable. But why are you making your Instagram private when your pussy is out to the public? That does not make any sense. You're sitting there hoeing it, but you're acting like a fucking prostitute. You want to be private and exclusive to all your only friends, but you're sitting here acting like a motherfucking hoe. So why is your Instagram private and your coochie is public? I want to know. Please leave a comment below, okay? Because I'm going through all these motherfucking people's, Instagrams, and you have to get approved to see their pictures. Get over yourself, okay? No, if no one wants to see your fucking pictures, if I want to see your motherfucking pictures, I'll go on Google.com. If I want to go see something about Lady Caca or something like that, I'll go on Google.com, okay? Your life is not that interesting for you to make your life private, okay? And just to let you know, my life on Instagram is public. So y'all bitches can see what I'm doing in 24 hours. Cause I like to have the comments. I fish for comments. So what? I don't give a fuck. It's nice to say, oh my god, where are you eating at tonight? Oh, I'm at, hometown buffet. Girl. Cause I'm a ghetto bitch.